Hey everybody, I'm Red Lightning Bird 64. Guess what? We're gonna have a challenge. It's called Red Lightning Bird Challenge. Yep. Yeah, do it today, guys. Come on! Oh hey pig! What are you doing? Hey Toad. Oh hi Red. Can I have your money? What? Why? I want it. I want your money. Red, what do you mean? Give me your money right now. Why? Give me your money! Give me your money! Give me. Ah! Oh no! I don't want to let the zombies come in here! Stay away! Stay away, zombies! No, you can't come in here! No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what do I do? Come on, what do I do? Yeah! Oh! Get wrecked! Oh no! Oh my god, what do I do? How do I get... Hello? What? Not today, zombie. What? Mario? You came here? Oh, yeah? Take it as a zombie. Hey Mario! I was supposed to hit him!
That's good.
Alright guys, we're gonna survive the water. Oh no, what are you doing here?
I just came to wash my hair with water.
Oh.
So first thing your turn and then my turn.
I'm gonna survive the water.
Okay, let's do it.
Wait, no, it's me first, you second. Okay, survive, okay, sorry. I'm surviving it. I can't, I'm about to drown.
Red? Red?
Okay, it's your turn. Okay, guys. Guys? What are you doing? La 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 la. I'll get you, Kirby. Ow! Hey, Kirby. I can't survive. Oh. Kirby. Hey, Kirby. Ha! Kick.
Yep.
Kirby. 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 Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, it's funny, right? Don't forget to subscribe! Oh, guys, I'm getting wet. Can't dry my face off.